Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the fluid in the rear differential in this 2012 Ford Escape. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Over here on the back side of the rear differential, there's a fill plug right here. This is where we're going to check the level. There's a little bit of staining here. That's okay, that's not horrible. First thing I'm going to do is take a straight blade screwdriver. Just want to clean this out because there's some dirt that gets in that fill plug right there. That's good. I can take a 3/8 ratchet, just line that up. Might have to wiggle it a little bit. Once I get it in there, just loosen this up. Put a little pressure on it while you're loosening it. All right, I'll pull that out. There's a little bit of metal on there. That's okay, that's not excessive. You can wipe that off with a rag. To check the level, you just want the fluid level right up to the bottom of that fill hole, which the fluid level is. And the fluid actually looks pretty good in this, so it doesn't need to be changed. Now this isn't something you need to check every oil change or anything, but once in a while it is a good thing to check. And take the fill plug. You can put a little bit of pipe sealer on that and make it seal up a little bit better. And then you just take the ratchet and just tighten this down. Just snug this up a little bit. Once it starts getting tight, it's not gonna bottom out. It just tightens up as it gets tighter. So don't tighten it too much or you'll crack the case. But that's good, and you're good to go. You can just take some brake parts cleaner and clean it off. And just wipe it off with a rag.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.